Hey Jess, I'm going to show you how to do 5 through 8 real quick here. So, what is the area under the normal density curve, which is the same as the z curve, for a z-score of negative 1.13? So first thing you got to do is pull up a z-table. Hold on. So from our Moodle page, you're going to go to the z-tables down here. You're going to open those up. So here they are. So we're going to look for negative 1.13. The first page, they're positive. Here's the negative ones down here. Bam. Okay, so look at the top numbers here. So this is 0.09, 0.08, 0.07. It kind of goes backwards for some reason. But we're going to look at the 0.03. So it's this column. And negative 1.1. So negative 1.13 is, dang it, if I got the right one, it's 0.1292. So in other words, the area underneath this curve at z equals negative 1.13, right? The area under this curve is about from here to here, which comes out to be about 0.1292. Okay, on to the next one. So what's the area of a normal distribution from a z-score of 2.27? That's a lot, okay? So that's going to be real close to 1, right? 2.27, that's 2.27 standard deviations to the right of the mean, so it's going to be way over here somewhere. And these areas are everything to the left of that. So let's look up 2.27. All right, here's 2.2 and 7. I switched tables on you, but it looks just the same. 2.27, that's way over here. Bam. So that area under the curve is 0.9884. Next one. Zero. So zero is easy. Zero is, right here's the z-score 0, so the area under the curve that is less than 0 is exactly 0.5. That's a big plus there, right? Half of your z-scores will be less than 0. Half of your z-scores will be greater than 0 because the mean cuts the data exactly in half. Half of your data is going to be greater than the mean. Half of your data is going to be less than the mean. So the z-score of 0 generates an area underneath the curve of 0.5. Last one. What is the area under the curve? Hey, same thing, same question. I'm trying to get you to get used to the different names for the z-table, or the normal distribution curve, or the bell curve, or the area under the curve. They all basically mean the same thing. So that is the same answer. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to do these in Excel. Please hold. Okay, here's the formula for a z is less than some number. So that's what all 5 through 8 are, right? Z is less than this. Z is less than that. So this is the formula we're going to use. But on Excel, so now we click here, go make sure you're in statistical. And then we go to norms dist with an S. Make sure you get the S in there. There's a bunch of them look just the same. You click OK. So our Z here is negative 1.13. Kabam. See? So we're going to go ahead and do that again for 2.27. Function bar. Make sure you're statistical. You're going to go down to norms dist with an S in the middle. Norms dist. So it's asking what our Z is. This one is 2.27. Click OK. And there's that area. And this last one is 0. Here's a shortcut. You click one cell, hit Control C. Click the next cell, hit Control V. Simply go in there and change the number in the parentheses to 0, or whatever the number is. Hit enter, boom, there it is. So I hope that helped. These are how to find problems under the area. All right, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you how to do a greater than problem, okay? Greater thans are a little bit different than the less than problems. So we're looking for the area underneath the curve generated by a z-score of greater than negative 1.58. So how to do the greater than, you have to pull up your z-score. You have to find negative 1.58. So it's negative 1.5 and 8 is, where's 8 right there? Right there. So it's 0.0571. But that, remember, that's the score to the less than. So we need to take this number, 0.0571, and subtract it from 1. And that would give us the z-score for greater than negative 1.51. So I'm going to go ahead and just use the power of Excel. So we're looking for a z-score greater than negative 1.58. I'm going to go to Norm's dist. Sorry, my movie's too loud. Hold on. Norm's dist. Make sure it's got the S between the M and the D. And my Z is negative 1.58. Click OK. But that's the less than. Now dig this. I'm going to go up to the function bar. Get my cursor between the equal sign and the N. I'm going to put 1 minus. The minus is the hyphen bar. And then I'm going to hit enter. Bam. So there's the area of a z-score that's greater than negative 1.58.